Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Andirubna Aiza Putri. I am a student of SMA ITERU Syamsam Kolaka. I will inform you about coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that cause disease in humans and animals. In humans, it usually causes respiratory tract infection, as quoted by the World Health Organization or WHO. The coronavirus come from coronaviruses or CoV, which cause disease ranging from the common cold to more severe. One such as middle is respiratory syndrome or MERS-CoV, and severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS-CoV, while the novel coronavirus or nCoV is a new strain that has not been previously identified in humans. Ladies and gentlemen, the coronavirus is a zoonosis, meaning that it is transmitted between animals and humans. Currently, the number of new cases of COVID-19 infection is still increasing in Indonesia, although some people who are exposed to it do not show certain symptoms. The virus that causes this pandemic can cause symptoms in people who are infected. Ladies and gentlemen, it is known that the total confirmed positive cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia today are 4,218,142 patients. Then there was an addition of 2,318 recovered patients. The total number of patients who recovered at this time became 4,042,250 throughout Indonesia. Then the number of COVID-19 patients died in the last 24 hours. A total of 142 and 115 people have died so far. Characteristic of being infected with the coronavirus: common severe are fever, choke, fatigue, loss of taste and smell, slightly uncommon symptoms, sore throat, headache, aches and pain, diarrhea, rash on the skin, or discoloration of the finger or toes, red or irritated eyes. Serious symptoms are difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, difficulty speaking or moving, or confused chest pain. To prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus, always keep a safe distance from other people at least 1 meter, even if they don't look sick. Wear a mask in public spaces, especially indoors or if physical restrictions are not possible. You should choose an open and well-ventilated room, and open the window if you are outdoors. Wash your hands regularly. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Follow vaccination when it's your turn. Follow the proper guidance regarding vaccination when coughing or sneezing. Cover your mouth and nose with your arms or tissue. Don't leave the house if you don't feel well. Ladies and gentlemen, the impact of COVID-19 on education. Education in Indonesia has turned into a distance learning system or PJJ, one of which is in the world of education in Indonesia, which was previously carried out face-to-face or offline. But during this pandemic, the learning system is not applicable in order to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus in Indonesia. At first, the government implemented a policy in the form of social distancing or social restriction carried out in Indonesia for 2 weeks. The government hoped that the social distancing policy could the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Holidays for various levels of education ranging from kindergarten, elementary, junior high school, senior high school to college until a predetermined time limit. The government finally made a new policy by implementing a learning system from their respective homes, namely online or network learning through various platforms ranging from Zoom application, Google Meet, e-learning, e-students, and other learning media. Ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, in the distance learning system carried out by the government, there are still many obstacles, such as problem with the network, difficulty in understanding the material recovered or captured by students, and many complaints such as being given a lot of assignment. However, besides that, There's a positive side to the online learning system, one of which is that people who previously did not understand using technology such as cell phones or laptops have understood since the implementation of online learning and work from home, because people in Indonesia are required to use technology Okay, well, that's all my speech. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.